The vast and harsh African desert features endless sand, serving as a rigorous testing ground. 4 heavy-duty transportation vehicles, only highly reliable equipment customized for extreme working conditions, can operate stably in the desert. Recently, we have received senior clients from Africa's transportation industry. They visited our company and the original SHACMAN factory to customize high-end tractors and semi-trailers, specially configured for desert heavy-load transportation. As we all know, African desert terrain is extremely harsh, with soft sandy roads, unpaved surfaces, and long-distance heavy-load transportation. It demands ultra-high standards for vehicle load capacity, off-road performance, and durability, which is why numerous African transportation professionals choose decent machinery. The client customized professional SHACMAN tractors and matching semi-trailers for desert heavy-load operation. Equipped with a professional 6x6 all-wheel drive system, it delivers powerful full-range power, effectively avoiding skidding and stalling on sand, and greatly improving desert trafficability and traction. It is equipped with 14.00 R20 professional widened desert tires. Compared with standard tires, they feature a larger grounding area and stronger grip, evenly disperse vehicle weight to avoid sinking in sand, with excellent wear resistance, tear resistance, and high temperature resistance. They perfectly adapt to extreme desert heat. We also upgraded multiple practical and humanized configurations. The headlight anti-theft shield avoids accessory loss during outdoor operations. The reinforced sidestepping plate facilitates easy access to the high-chassis desert vehicle. The reinforced heavy-duty frame and thickened axles ensure ultra-high rigidity, load capacity, and impact resistance, resisting deformation during long-term heavy load off-road driving. For years, Decent Machinery has supplied high-quality heavy-duty transportation equipment across Africa with outstanding extreme environment adaptability and stable heavy-load performance. We have gained widespread overseas reputation, constant customer referrals, and new on-site procurement fully prove our product quality and strength. From factory selection and working condition customization to performance adaptation and full process professional service, Decent Machinery always focuses on customer needs, providing high-load, high-reliability engineering machinery solutions with premium quality to support global clients' efficient operation.